If you've ever tried to check out on a WooCommerce store using PayPal and suddenly saw this frustrating message, "Failed to process the payment. Please try again or contact the shop admin. Unprocessable." This isn't a bug in the store, and it's not the shop owner's fault. This error comes straight from PayPal, and it means one thing: your payment method was refused by your bank or by PayPal itself. Even if your card looks fine and your balance seems enough, PayPal can still block the transaction. Why? It could be an incorrect billing address, a spending limit reached, a security block from your bank, or simply that your card isn't allowed like this type of purchase. Sometimes, even prepaid or region-limited cards get turned down instantly. The solution? First, check your billing details. Make sure they match exactly what your bank has on file. Second, try another payment method, another card, another PayPal account, or even a different funding source linked to your account. And if it still fails, contact your bank or PayPal support. They can tell you exactly why it was blocked. Remember, when you see Instrument Store isn't rejecting you, the financials is. And the fastest way to complete your purchase is to fix the payment method or use an alternative. That way, you can get your order through without frustration and without delay.